Hello you guys, this is here with Miami Corvette Parts. I want to talk to you guys about the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. If you are a Corvette lover or if you're thinking of getting into Corvettes and you want to know about the history of Corvettes, and I suggest you visit the museum. It's a great place for individuals, for family to go and visit. There you'll be able to see more than 70 models. You also will be able to see the iconic 1953. You're also going to be able to see prototypes, also sport cars, racing cars from Corvette. They have interactive exhibits like the driving simulator, which you can get in and drive a Corvette. You also will see a display of the infamous, the famous, sinkhole that happened in 2014. I remember watching the news and seeing all these vets, classic cars being sucked up by the earth, and man, I cringe. But the good news is that a lot of these classic cars were saved, and you'll be able to see them there also. So if you love American sport cars, if you love Corvettes, that's the place to visit. You'll be able to immerse yourself in the legacy of Corvettes. So that's a suggestion. It's a good family trip, a good place to go on vacation. So I recommend it. So this is a little bit of talking about the museum for you guys. So if you like the video, press like and subscribe if you like it. And I'll have more videos for you in the future. Thank you. Bye.